In today's video, I'll be showing you how I analyze this pair. Let's analyze this pair together. And there is something I really want to show you today about using the double bottom formation and trend line to determine the market direction and when to go into the market. All right, so I'm on the daily time frame. As usual, I like analyzing my market from a higher time frame. So on the daily time frame, what we can see here is I can see a trend here, though the market is already was previously bearish, but it has broken structure right here. There's a break of a change of character here at this point in the market to move to go bullish. All right, but we are not going there. Let's mark out this trend. I can see where I can put a trend line around here, a supportive trend line right here. Then I can see where to put another trend line, resistive trend line above it. On top is a resistive trend line. All right, so the next thing I'll do is to, as usual, to find some key levels, find the key level around where the current price is. And looking at this, I can see that price reacted here. I should do this other stuff. There's a reaction of price here, there's a reaction here, there's a reaction at this point, and even here. So this would be a strong zone in the market. So I would mark them out using the horizontal tool, like what I did yesterday. So let me go get it. All right, so I'll mark this thing out like this. All right, guys, so I've marked it out. Now you can see that is a very strong level, and this level matches up with, hold on, and this level is very close to where the price may be making a third touch on this trend line. And so if the price makes a third touch on this trend line, what are we expecting? Is for the price to reverse. That's what we are expecting. So we expect to see something like that. Price gets to this level, then reverses, goes back up. All right, guys, so now if we go down to our 4-hour time frame, let's see what's happening there. All right, on the 4-hour time frame, if we come down, what are we going to see, guys? This is, if you were here on the chart earlier, you would have suspected this would be a double bottom, and that is absolutely correct. Where is, let me mark it. 1 moment, please. Yes, this would have been a double bottom. This is the first bottom and this is the second bottom, and besides, this is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, which would have made you feel this is a double bottom. And then if you are an aggressive trader, you would want to go in at the close of this candle to buy this pair, but you would lose some money. Because upon the fact that it is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here, the price, as you can see, the price came down. It did not change. There was no change of character, because there must be a change of character, which is at this point, which is the neckline. There must be a change of character at this point. At this point, which is the neckline, there must be a change of character at this point. If the market had come and broken this point, then we will see a change of character there, and we will expect the market to retest this same level, then go up. Sorry, I'm supposed to draw it properly. The market, if the market had come, broken this place, then retested, then we expect the market to continue going bullish. But since this did not happen, then it would be wrong if you had entered the market at this point to trade. So now let's go down to a lower time frame to still see these things, because we always need to do a kind of a top-down analysis to really understand what the market is doing. But mind you, the market has to break this level first. The market has to break this level. I think we should mark it. Let me get this tool. Market reacted here and also reacted here, so market has to break this level first, which would be the possible neckline if the price had gone up, then retest it before going up. Now let's go to a lower time frame to see what happens. Maybe the 1 hour time frame, guys. All right, on the 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing, guys? As you can see, on the 1 hour time frame, the price came down. After I got to this place, the price coming down this way, and we can also draw a trend line. We can also draw a trend line. Mind you, this is where we are in the market. This is where we were. This is the point we were in the market. So we can draw a trend line here. As you can see, this is the trend line. Let's just go back so you understand where we are. You see, this is that point we saw that bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So we go down to the lower time frame, or to 1 hour time frame, and we see that there was a candlestick pattern there. You saw that there was a candlestick, a trend, a downward trend. What kind of downward trend? Look at, excuse me, I need this line, I need the other two. So as you can see, market was making lower, a high, lower high, a high, a low, lower high, lower low here, and it broke the trend line. This is where we have that bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and it broke the trend line and still came back again. The kind of say retesting, but it's not too clear here on the 1 hour time frame. We'll have to go down to 15-minute time frame to see it. It came back, then went up. As you can see, it didn't still break this region. Even as we can even see another level here on the 4-hourly time frame, which caused the market to react. There's a level here, guys. There's another level here also, which the market reacted to. You see, the market only closed above that zone, closed a little above that zone, and then reversed. So you can see the market reversed here. But the thing is that if you are, because there's a, with this long bearish candlestick, there's definitely a break and retest of this level, of this trend line. If you go to a lower time frame to place a trade, if you are a scalper, a good scalper, let's check 15 minutes to see. All right, see, on the 15-minute time frame, what do we have there? As you can see, on the 15-minute time frame, see what happened. Market broke this trend line, came down to retest it, retested again, then went up bullish. It went up, then broke this region and still reversed. It couldn't go further. So whoever perhaps was on chart at that time would have placed a buy order, a buy trade after the market has retested this level. Then 15 minutes time frame, you can trade and watch out for this level, because it is either if the market can break this level, this one here above, then we need to continue going bullish, or if you come down to 15-minute time frame and notice this level here, as you can see, like I told you previously, once you go down to lower time frame, the regions we mark, the points on the market try to change, they shift. So you come down. If I can get this to 1 minute, let me see if I can get back this. I will move this thing to here, because you can see now this is the way the point market touched, this way it touched, this way it touched, and this way it has touched when it came. So we always have to adjust our zones. As you go down, as you lower your time frame, you adjust the zone. So this is the exact point you'll be very careful, be watching out for. See, this way you'll be watching out for. As the price got to this same level, You see it reversed until the price can break this one above here, which is on the 1 hour time frame before, or 4 hour time frame, before we can say the market will be going bullish. Else, whatever you do here, be very careful, else it will fall. You may lose money. You see, when price got to this level, it still went back down, confirming that the market is still bearish. Confirming that the market is still bearish, guys. So as you can see, the market continued moving down, continue moving down, continue moving down. So what we are expecting here is that the market, what is going to happen in the market is, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let me move these drawings so I can have a clean chart. Please. Go to the daily time frame. So what we are expecting is that the market will come down to this level. Let me remove this trend line I drew. The market is going to come down to this level here. The market will come down here to this level to touch the trend line, to give them the third touch on the trend line. Then at the same time, it will also, oh, hold on, sorry, please, I made a mistake. Please, let me take off these drawings. Then after that, the market will then reverse. Okay, will then reverse, heading. Let's zoom out a little so I can look at the chart clearly. Okay, then the market will then move up to go for the third touch on the resistive trend line also. So guys, that is just it. Sometimes we don't even need to stress ourselves much on these things. Just analyze it the way you see. While I was learning trading, that's what one man said. He said, if you open the chart and you can't see what you're looking for, just close it. So once you open, just have something in mind you want to see, which is identifying these zones, and also marking a trend line if it is available. If you do not see way to mark a trend line, don't mark it, so that you won't be making mistakes. But if you can find way to mark trend lines, then you mark it. Then if you can find, then you mark it. If you cannot find, leave it. Now I found all these things. That was why I used them. So in the next few days, we'll be expecting the market to go bullish. In the next few days, the market, the volatility 50 index will be bullish, targeting the resistive trend line up there. So guys, that's what I would want you guys to practice and be monitoring this setup. Just monitor this setup and enter the market once there's a confirmation. Mind you, like I told you yesterday in my previous video, once the price gets to this level, once price gets to this trend line, you do not enter the trade immediately. There might be a breakout, there may not be a breakout, but what I am actually expecting is for price to react just as I have drawn here, just as I have drawn here with this arrow tool. The market has to react here. There will be some reactions and formations. Either you will see an inverse head and shoulders pattern, or you will see a double bottom, need to confirm a bullish movement before you go into before you enter any trade. So guys, that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not done that yet. Like and comment in the comment section, and we'll see in the next video. Peace out.